Hello, and welcome back to the Virtual Art Room. As always, I'm your teacher, Mr. Kraus. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use the element of line. So grab your art supplies and let's get started. Remember, the elements and principles of art are the building blocks of art. The better you get at using them, the better your art will be. A line is a mark made by a pointed tool. This could be a brush, a pencil, a pen, or even your finger. It is best described as a moving dot. It has length and width, but the length is much greater than the width. There are actually a lot of different kinds of lines, such as straight, vertical, diagonal, horizontal, wavy, scallop, zigzag, curly, dabbed, graduated, thick zigzag, curved, dotted, dashed, chevron, spiral, broken, thin, thick, and crisscross. These descriptions of lines are also referred to as line quality. When we vary the line quality, such as the thickness, it makes our objects and drawings more interesting. By putting many lines close together, it gives the appearance of shading. This is referred to as hatching. We can make this even more interesting by putting lines over top at a different angle. This is referred to as cross-hatching. The closer that the lines are together, the darker the area appears. You can create some very exciting artwork just by using lines. In fact, artists long ago would make very intricate artwork by scratching lines into wax that has been placed on metal surfaces. This technique is called etching, and you can see here this portrait is an example of an etching done by the famous artist Rembrandt all the way back in the 1600s. The plates were then dipped in acid. Only the exposed lines where the wax was scratched away would be affected by the acid. The plates were then covered in ink, and the ink would fall into the crevices left by the acid. A piece of paper could then be put on the plate and run through a printing press to make an exact copy of the artist's work. So you can see, all you need to make great art with lines is the ability to move dots and make marks with a pointed tool. Here's an art activity you can do to help you. Draw an abstract composition of varied overlapping lines. Use all different types of lines and cross-hatching to fill in the sections. Pick some sections to be medium, some to be light with the lines further apart, and some to be dark with the lines closer together. Make sure to fill in all the sections. This brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope you had fun and learned a lot about lines. I'll see you next time in the Virtual Art Room. Bye!